Did you know around 80 to 90% of global trade is reliant on trade and supply chain finance? That's why Bank Muscat continuously works towards better services and solutions for our corporate customers. With the launch of our new GTS eApplication, we now offer faster services along with stress-free corporate banking. Save your valuable time with an easy and accurate way to apply for GTS eApplication online. Make your business easier, apply for any of our global trade service products. Let's show you how. Visit our official website. Click on the Business tab and select the GTS eApplication. Select the product of your choice and then fill the application form. Submit your form. Enter your email ID to receive your OTP. Type in the OTP number and submit the form. Download or print the completed form. Submit the form to a representative at our 5 corporate branches and make your business easier. Want to know more? Connect with us on GTS helpdesk at bankmuscat.com or call us on 2476 7788.